guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify Google AdSense PIN. So when you meet the address verification threshold, Google AdSense will send you a PIN number via post. The verification threshold amount is from $10 or your currency equivalent in your country. You'll receive an email from Google AdSense telling you that you need to verify your address. Important to note, your ads will stop serving if you don't use this PIN number to verify your address within 4 months from the date of which your first PIN was mailed to you. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get to opening it. From what you can see, each side of the envelope has this where it says remove side edges first, and that is literally just goes all the way along the sides of the envelope. Because I can't open the envelope and hold the camera at the same time, I'm just going to open it off camera and then we can all have a look at what's inside together. So I've just quickly removed the edges. This is what it looks like now, and so I'll just open it up and show you what's inside. So it says your Google AdSense personal identification number PIN. Welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these steps. So all you need to do is step 1, sign into your AdSense account at the Google address mentioned at the top. And then step 2, you just click on the gear icon and select payments. And then after that, step 3, you just go to account information and then click verify address. And then step 4, you just submit the PIN as it is in your envelope. When you receive the PIN mailer, click verify address at the bottom of this email and get to the Google AdSense homepage and enter your PIN there, or alternatively you can go straight into your Google AdSense account and enter it directly. So at the bottom of the email, I scrolled all the way down to the bottom, and then I just clicked where it said verify address, and then it brought me to this page. Next, you'll see this red bar at the top that says your payments are currently on hold because you have not yet verified your address. So all you do is scroll all the way right down to the bottom where it says verify your billing address and just click on verify. You'll see the following screen pop up, and then literally just put your PIN number in there as they've provided to you. The next thing you'll see is PIN correct, billing address has been verified. I give thanks to God for making the monetization and PIN process so smooth and easy. I know I've heard a lot of people saying that they didn't receive their PIN on time. I was very fortunate to get mine in just 4 days. I hope you found this video useful, and also I also pray for you guys that are waiting your Google AdSense PIN, that it will arrive for you as quick as my one did. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for all the time you spent with me here today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!